Teaching financial literacy starts with the right tools. Students face real debt challenges, student loans, overwhelming choices. The Snowball Method provides a proven strategy they can actually use. Start small, build momentum, pay off the smallest debt first, then roll that payment into the next. Financial Literacy XL includes comprehensive worksheets, 12-month budgets, and step-by-step planning guides. Students work through real debt scenarios, calculating payments and tracking progress. Watch the moment understanding clicks. They see how small wins build to financial freedom. Cover budgeting, investing, credit, taxes, retirement. Over 200 financial terms explained. Everything's ready to go. No prep time wasted, just open and teach. Transform your classroom with hands-on money management skills. Teachers report higher engagement and real-world application. Empower your students, simplify your prep, create lasting impact.